Right, so we made a decision on, when was it? Tuesday? No, Monday night. After all the forecasted rain in Wales, it was just horrendous. So we checked out the forecast and decided to make a mad dash for it on Tuesday morning to Cornwall. So we drove 4 hours in the van through the rain to get here to Cornwall because there's wind and waves, and Sean likes to go for kite surf. So yeah, so here we are. So we're staying at a campsite we've never stayed before, but we normally stay next door. This is Gwithian Farm campsite near Hayle, not too far from St Ives. It's a lovely site. I'm going to do a walk round in a bit and show you all the facilities, but it has got access to the beach, so I've got the dogs with me, so it's time to head to the beach for a walk. So So we're going to go on a bit of a site tour of Gwithian Farm campsite. This is our pitch, and I'm just going to take you on a wander. You can see quite a few people here at the weekend. Great about this campsite, it's got full Wi-Fi coverage, which is awesome. It meant I can do some work this week. Plenty of hard standing for the winter time, although they do shut, I think, at the end of October. Most of the pitches are slightly sloping, which is fine if you're on a caravan. I'll just walk up here. Fine if you're on a caravan, but a little bit sloping if you're, in a tent. Quite a few pitches. They've got a couple of spaces that are extra long for extra big camper vans. These guys are parked up area here, which is nice. It's very well landscaped. There's kids' play area and there's some seating area, and I think also table tennis. And I think there's some guinea pigs in there somewhere. They're probably hiding. Oh, there it is. I can just see it poking its head out. Okay, so this is the loo block. They've got a outside wetsuit wash for the winter, which is great. Sorry, for the summer, which is great. So you don't take sand in the toilets. Ladies' loos. Still a few people in there having a shower, so I won't keep you videoing in there for too long. They're super clean. The showers are excellent actually, although it's really basic. They're really, really clean. Washing up area. Family shower room, which is great. And the children's bath. Under fives. I think there's also a little laundrette, which is awesome too. So, chemical waste disposal for the toilets, and actually this is where we get rid of our grey waste. It's not the traditional one, but it does work, does the job. And there's reception. So this site is dog friendly. Have to pay, I think, £1, I think it was, per dog. But there's quite a few people with dogs on site. There's water taps dotted around the site. Everything you could need really. So this is the first time we've stayed on this site. We normally actually stay next door at Churchtown. But they've got no hard standing, so with the rain that was forecast we decided to try and get in here. We've never been able to get in here before, and we're pleasantly surprised. And with the access to the beach area, it's spot on really, and it's right opposite the pub too, the Red River pub, which we've been in a few times previously. So yeah, really, really good spot. So if you're thinking of coming down to Gwithian, Hayle, St Ives area, check it out. Right, time for a coffee.